Hey guys, and welcome to this edition of Scruff's Garage. So today I have my 2024 Tenere 700. There's a lot of discussion online about the different tail tidy or rear fender eliminator kits. Some are very expensive and some are very inexpensive. This is one of the inexpensive ones, so I thought I'd just take a minute to show you how it looked and a couple of tips on the installation that I found beneficial. Certainly not an installation video. There's plenty of those out there. This is just sort of a review. I've had it on here for quite some time. This is a brand called Xitomer. You can get it on Amazon, 30, 35 bucks. Pretty inexpensive. What I liked about this, so mine's a 2024 model, so I have the LED factory turn signals, so I wanted to keep those. This mount, there's a center section that you kind of twist out and allows you to retain your factory LED turn signals, which is something that I wanted to do. Same thing with the tail light. I wanted to keep all of that. The nice thing there is that all the factory wiring just plugs in, so that makes wiring and installation really simple. The one thing that is changed is the license plate light. So that's just a generic LED license plate light. So that just comes with, right, just two positive and negative wires coming out the back of it. So here is your factory rear fender and the factory rear license plate light and the wiring that goes to it. And so it has this connector end on the end of the wiring. So obviously on the other side, the factory wiring that stays in the bike has a female connector that plugs into that. Now obviously you could, there's a couple of scenarios. You could cut this end off and solder the wires in here to that light, and then you could plug this into the factory wiring. You could cut off the female connector that's in the wiring right in the bike, and then wire it into the two bare wires that come out of that. I didn't like any of those. I hate cutting up factory wiring. So the solution that I came up with, Pugh makes a pigtail that is, it is this connector as a pigtail, part number 20589N as in Nancy, and allowed me to splice that pigtail to that license plate light, and then everything would plug into the factory wiring. It's all stuff down in there, but everything just plugged in as it did from the factory. So for a few extra bucks, I found that worthwhile. That way I don't have to cut up any of the factory wiring. Not that I would ever return this to the old factory fender setup. I mean, it's a great look, cleans up the back end of the bike, but to me that was a very worthwhile solution. Thought I'd just give you a look at what the Xitomer rear fender eliminator or tail tidy, whatever you want to call it, looks like. I've been very happy with it. I didn't see the need to spend big bucks on any of the other name brands. And like I said, I found a good solution for some of the wiring, and it allowed me to retain my factory LED turn signals. Obviously, if you have a different model and maybe they're not LED, you might prefer to change those out to something else, but this worked out very well for me. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll help, obviously, in any way that I can. I'll do a separate video on the luggage racks on the side and the rear rack, how I made this setup work. That's some additional details, but check out that video if you're interested in those. So thanks for tuning in to this edition of Scruff's Garage.